how to enable or disable camera high bitrate videos on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, open up the camera app. Then tap on the settings icon at the top corner. Next, we go down to the videos section and tap on advanced video options. In here, tap on high bitrate videos. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now, instead of increase the bitrate videos off videos recorded in video and pro video modes, high bitrate videos are usually larger than normal videos. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key to return back to your camera. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.